more than a decade, MG Cooling Solutions is an entrusted provider of centralized air conditioning solutions and a leading HVAC company in India, serving various sectors: commercial buildings, offices, retail spaces, restaurants, hotels, healthcare, manufacturing facilities, factories, warehouses, data centers, and server rooms. Our specialized offerings include industrial cooling solution, comfort cooling solution, industrial ventilation solutions, data center cooling solution, healthcare HVAC solution, air quality improvement, air disinfection, offering complete HVAC turnkey services from project design, supply, installation, testing. A decade-long experience since 2013, successfully served over 100 satisfied clients. Energy-efficient, customized HVAC solution, consistently delivering projects on time, offering latest trends and technologies for a world-class experience. Privilege of working with renowned clients such as RBI, ONGC, Mother Dairy, Airport Authority of India, and many others. Our vision is to empower you with optimum cooling solutions of global standards. Entrust MG Cooling Solutions for a comprehensive value addition.